Hi, and welcome to Drawing with Daisy. Today we are going to be drawing Jake the dog from Adventure Time. So to start out, just like every other drawing that I've ever done in this series, we're going to start out with shapes for a little bit of a base to just kind of give a little bit of, So I'm going to start out with, for the head area, I'm going to start out with a smaller circle. And then for the lower half of his body, I'm going to do a bigger circle because he does kind of have an arch in his back. So I'm just going to go through and I'm going to connect these shapes around it to kind of give it a little bit of the general shape of Jake the dog. He's also kind of boxy. He's like an oval, but he kind of looks like a jelly bean. So just kind of draw a jelly bean shape. So I'm going to start by adding guidelines to where the face is supposed to be, and I'm going to start by drawing his snout. I'm pretty sure that Jake the dog is a bulldog, I think, or some sort of hound, because he does have kind of the same muzzle shape as a dog that would be that way. Yeah, and then I'm going to add his little smile. And then his eyes are incredibly big, and one kind of just goes out from his face. And he has very strange pupils, where with other characters, the pupils would go from dark to light. His pupils go from light to dark. So that's how we are going to shade in his eyes when we get to that part in the drawing. His ear is just kind of a U. I kind of draw it as a J, but in my reference photo, it's more of a U. And then his arms, for his arms, I'm just going to draw a very misshapen V, one that's longer and one that's shorter. And then I'm going to add his hands, which is just kind of like a little W that goes up and connects to your two V's. And then on the other side, I'm going to bring it around, so it's going to be a long and a short U instead of the V that we had previously made, just like that. And then we're going to again add the little W to connect to our two lines. And then we're going to add his legs, which are just kind of little curved lines with little ovals, just like that. Of course, we will be able to fix anything that you may have missed or done incorrectly with the outline, and that is how we sketch him.